What's up, everyone? This is Real Pain, and in today's video we're going to be talking about ad copy pros. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell so that every single time I post a video you'll be the first to get it. Now enough of that, let's get to the good stuff. So guys, if you were wondering how to make money online in 2018 by posting ads that get you sales, and I'm talking about instantly, like you never have to wait for the money. It goes straight to your PayPal account or your Google Wallet or your Cash App, etc. Then I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright guys, now as I mentioned earlier before, this company is called Ad Copy Pros, as you see right here, okay? Now, check this. The company give you pre-written ad copies, as it says right here. Once you guys sign up, and it's a one-time fee, you guys get pre-written ad copies. They like literally take all the guessing work out of it for you, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through here real quickly because I can't show you everything. You have to buy the service in order to see it all. But what this is basically is all the pre-written ad copies that you'll get, email swipes, everything like that, okay? Facebook posts, and you'll be able to copy and paste those on any social media platform that you want to. And you guys know what? The number one thing I love about this program is that you guys will not have to answer all those annoying questions that people come with all the time, okay? What you'll do is once they contact you, you'll send them over to this video right here, all right? And in this 9-minute video, it'll explain everything from beginning to end, the whole process. We're talking about how you get paid, who pays you, how much you make, testimonials, all the above, okay? After you guys are done watching that video, you'll scroll down and hit Start Earning Now. Once you click that, it'll take you over to this page right here. And what you'll do is you'll fill out the first name, best email, basically complete this the best way you can, and hit create your account. Then it'll bring you over to this page right here where you'll be able to access our system. And guys, I just want to point out something real quick. You guys will never be left alone through this whole process. With Ad Copy Pros, we got a full Facebook group that you guys will be added to, okay? And you'll be able to ask questions in here and get all the help you need if you ever need any help, all right? Now, of course, I'm going to help you anyway because that's the whole point. You get paid a whole lot more money if you help out your team, okay? So the whole key here is to help everyone get paid so you get paid a lot of money also, okay? No one gets left behind, okay? Now once you go ahead and access the system, you'll come over here and see this page right here. You'll be able to locate your funnel pages, your leads, referrals, pass-ups. You'll be able to set your system up and all the other good stuff. Now let's talk about the pass-ups real quick, all right? To join Ad Copy Pros, you'll pay a one-time $25 fee, okay? And there's also a one-time $10 processing fee. So together that's $35 one time you'll pay. Now once someone pays that $25, the first payment will go to you, all right? You'll get paid $25 instantly to your account. Now let's say somebody else pays you $25 again. This is your second payment, all right? Well, that second $25 will go to your upline, the person who referred you to the program, okay? But you only got to pay that one time. Every single payment you get after that is 100% your commission, all right? And if you join in at the $100 level, you'll just be making way more money. It's a no-brainer, guys. All right, guys, let's go a little bit further so I can just show to you the potential amount of money you can make with this program. Let's bring up our little handy-dandy calculator here. All right, so let's just use the $25 level for an example. Let's say that you were making $25 sales, all right, and you did that 3 times a day. So that's times 3, 75 bucks, all right? Now let's say you did that for a week, 7 days. Well, you'll be bringing in $525 a week, all right? Now let's times that by 4 weeks in the month, and look at that. That's $2,100, all right? And that's really good, guys. I mean, you made $2,100. And all you did was copy and paste ads on social media, okay? So if you guys want to get started, the link will be in the description below. Once again, if you guys want to start making money within the next 24 hours, click the link in the description below. I know you guys are sick of not making money online, and this will be the system for you, okay? So once you sign up, just go ahead and shoot me an email. I'll send you my training, and we can get started right away. Now, if you guys like this video and you want more like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I will be posting more content on how to make money from home, especially without getting scammed. Alright guys, once again, my name is Zarel Payne, and I will see you later.